Hey guys, my name is Natalie and welcome to the Liberate Your Space channel. We are professional organizers and experts in making space. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, we work on organizing pantries, kitchens, closets, basically any space that you can think of. One of the hottest topics that people are always asking me is what is in your professional organizing kit? What is in my bag? So that's what we're going to talk about today. As a professional organizer, I need to be as prepared as possible for every single session, consultation, anytime I'm in a client's home. I want to be as prepared as I possibly can. So that means I have to kind of lug a lot of different products and different things in my bag to make sure that I am ready for anything that a client might throw at us. I have been in search for the perfect bag for quite a while. It wasn't quite big enough for all of the little knickknacks that I need to bring, including if I have a long day, snacks, water, all of those things. So I think I finally found my perfect bag, and I'm gonna show you it now. So, introducing the Cara baby bag. I purchased it in pink just because I wanted a little bit of a feminine flair, but it also comes in white. I have been obsessing about their bags for a while, but I've also been shopping the market online, trying to figure out what the best bag with lots of little pockets and compartments could be. And this is the one I found, and it works perfectly for what I need personally. One thing I want to say that's very important, this is not a sponsored piece of content. No one is paying me for any of this. I just genuinely love this bag. It has answered my prayers. And like I said, I was searching for this perfect bag for quite a while. So now that I found it, I really want to share it with you. So at the very top is my little spot where I keep all of my necessities. It's really easy to grab whatever I need, and it looks a little messy here, but it's like literally necessities. So hair clips, lotion, eye drops, chapstick, nail file, hair stuff, all these little things that might get lost. There's also a pocket in the back here for a laptop, which I don't always bring with me, but it's nice to know that it's there. These straps are amazingly comfortable for a heavy bag. This bigger compartment is where all of the fun things are. I have my trusty water. I have 2 colored garbage bags, and lots of them. So one is usually for trash, and that's the black one. White is for donations. But see, there's plenty of space back here for other things. I have museum gel. I created a video about this recently, so definitely check that out, but it's really helpful. I have my label maker. Love it. And it's big and bulky, but this fits into the bag, thank goodness. Along with the label maker, on this side pocket, I have all of my clear and white label tape. So if ever I need to replace, it's right there. I also have a whole kit of command strips and hooks and Velcro. So this could be really good for basically any type of project. We find these really useful in any situation, but specifically apartment move-ins. We have cable ties. So this is a whole pack of different types of cable ties. I have not one, but 2 measuring tapes. One is tiny, one is a little bit bigger and more structured. Need both. I also have lots of Post-its and Sharpies to take notes and categorize items. I have a few extra hooks for those command strips. I also have lots of label holders. So there are multiple kinds for different applications. Love them all. I use this entire front section for snacks and drinks. This is insulated, so technically this is a baby bag. It's supposed to be for baby's milk, but I love, these are my favorite protein shakes, so I always have at least 2 on hand.
Not sponsored as well.
Also not sponsored, but I love these Owen milkshakes. So Then I have more snacks. I always bring a few extras to feed my team and my clients if I need to.
Not added, right?
Also not an ad. So this is usually my snacks pack in the front. On the side we have more pockets, sunglasses if I'm in LA basically. And then over here I have a little jackknife, just in case I need to cut something open or something. That's there for me. And now on the other side, I have space for my little makeup kit, which I really don't wear a lot of makeup, but it fits in here. And then my phone. Right here, there is a magnetic close on either side. Amazing, so nothing will just slide out, which I've had problems with in the past. There's this entire insert for technically baby bottles, but whatever you need. It goes into the center here. And it comes with all of these extra straps. I'll lay them out here, I guess. All these extra straps. So for example, this one could be like long over the shoulder or even across body. This is perfect for traveling. Every time I go to LA or travel on my own, you can put the handles to your luggage through here and it just sits right on top of your luggage. Amazing. So that's the tour of my little nifty professional organizing kit. I'm so curious to hear what you guys thought was the most interesting or the most surprising that I do have in my bag. Was it my snacks? Was it my Post-its, command strips? Let me know in the comments below. Would love to hear if you guys keep anything in your bag that's a little weird or strange. Definitely let us know in the comments below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Our goal is always to bring you from chaos to calm. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.